Good morning, good evening. Nick Wardle from the Body Transformation Centre in Loughborough. Just wanted to clear up a few questions that have been asked recently. A client's friend asked recently, are they shouty PT instructors that go, "Come on, you can do it, let's get more in, come on you fatty." No, that's not how we operate, okay? That's not how we operate. Like, what you'll find is with us, we will help support you, we will help encourage you during the training sessions. Not me or the coaches will talk to you like that. We'll always be supportive, we'll always push you where you need to, or give you a little nudge or a kick up the bum. But I want this atmosphere to be fun, I want it to be friendly, and I want to make sure that you're getting the best out of you, all right? And a lot of people do not respond to us being really shouty, you know, a bit like in the military, when you get the military style people coming through, the military style trainers that you get. So that's normally their approach. It's shout, shout, shout. Now, someone tells me to do that, I hate it. It really infuriates me. I just want to stick my fingers up at them and tell them to do one, right? So that's not how we operate. Our client base would not respond to that very well. So I wanted to let you know that. Maybe I'll even get a video out of one of our coaches coaching or myself coaching, just so you can see how we function. A lot of people just have this perception that that's how people train people. That's not how we train people. We operate specifically in very small groups. We keep it very personal. We can modify the exercises if need be. We can work you harder if need be, whether you're beginner, intermediate or advanced with it all. And not only that, we're going to help support and push you to get the most out of you during your training sessions, because all we care about is you getting the most for you, not what Dave, Sally or Sue's doing next to you, what you're doing, right? Because ultimately you've got your own goals and you've got your own motivations with it all. So just wanted to give you a heads up today. We are not shouty trainers, all right? We'll push you, yes, but we're not shouty in your face trainers that are gonna just keep going at you until you basically quit or fall on the floor or end up crying, because I know of some PTs that do that to people. We don't do that, all right? So have a great day, and I'll see you soon for my next video.